Hey there, digital marketing enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the world of digital marketing, the virtual heartbeat of modern businesses. Whether you're a recent graduate or considering a career switch, you're in the right place. Digital marketing is all about reaching your audience through online channels like social media, search engines, and websites. It's time to grasp the fundamentals of this dynamic field. From industry blogs to online courses, there's a wealth of information waiting for you. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and HubSpot Academy offer a wide range of courses taught by industry experts. Attend industry events, conferences, and meetups to connect with like-minded professionals. Building a personal brand is crucial. Create a professional website, optimize your social media profiles, and showcase your work. Tailor your resume, brush up on your interview skills, and showcase your passion for digital marketing. With determination and perseverance, you'll be well on your way to a successful career in no time. And there you have it, your ultimate guide on how to get into digital marketing. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are definitely worth it. Happy marketing! Visit www.zeroinvestmentguidance.com for details and formatins.